Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to save photos in Google One. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Google One and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom we have four sections. There is the home section, storage, benefits, and support. So right here in the home section, you're gonna find storage, backup, cleanup, and dark web reports. In storage, you're gonna find how much storage have you used and also how much storage you have. For example, I've used 0.05 gigabytes or 15 gigabytes. If you guys want to turn on backup, go ahead and click on backup right here. And right here, you're gonna find backup your device with Google One. Use your 15 gigabytes of Google accounts storage to backup photos and videos stored in Google Photos for easy organization and sharing. Apps and app data, contacts and call history, SMS and MMS messages, and device settings. Go ahead and click on turn on. And then, as you can see, guys, backup by Google One is turned on. So here in the bottom, in the top, you're gonna find account storage. You can also manage the storage. And if you scroll down right here, you're gonna find backup by Google One, backup now. Your device backs up automatically over Wi-Fi after it's been idle and charging for 2 hours. Backup details, right here you're gonna find the apps, photos and videos, and so on. So you can click right here on photos and videos, and you can manage all of the photos and videos that you have in Google One. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.